Hi guys, I'm Vitali and I'm with Offer. We're presenting our Fedex about a bot store. So let's start our story about the baker that he always wanted to cook for people and open his own store. So one day he puts all his money, opens a little store, writes bakery on top of it, and people come and eat his food and it goes great.
Our baker wants to expand his business and enable deliveries and to be heard by more people. So he wants to have a digital presence. He thought about creating an application for mobile, but it cost a lot of money. He also thought about creating a website for his bakery, but it also cost money and it's a bit complicated because all his mind is in baking and not in website creation.
So he heard about this cool new Telefonica bot store and he opens up his website, goes in, and he just clicks because it doesn't require any programming. So he sees some options, he can create all kind of stores, and in this case he wants a shop bot to handle his shop. So all he needs is he writes his email, his shop name, and then he can go right ahead and enter his menu. So he enters the name of the product, the description, and he can also upload a picture for people to see. He adds multiple products.
This is the point that the shopbot basically can sell anything, any inventory, whatever. It doesn't. It's not specified to bakery or any specific business.
And once he's done, the bot is ready to accept orders. All the menu is already processed by the bot, and he ready to get the keywords. And anyone who messages him to the displayed number will get a response.
So on the other side, there is a student that is focused on his study and want to have a snack while he study. Our student doesn't like to install any application, and he doesn't want to go to a website to browse and through the complicated menu. So he's happy to know that our bakery has a two bot. So he taking his two application and text the bot. Let's see how it works. So basically, he's writing the bot access number and using a natural number language basically interact with the bot. In our sample bot, you will see that basically all the menu that was added by the baker is now displayed to the users, including the pictures, and the user can basically go ahead and order whatever he wants. The user has chosen his payment, and that's it. The order has complete, and the messenger has arrived with his food.
So we saw the example of shop bot, but there are multiple other bots we can sell in the store. So for example, you got a restaurant reservation bot. So a restaurant wants an easy access to a reservation. It creates a bot, and everyone who sends a message, like you're on the wait somewhere, you send a message, I want to come, two people, 7:30 at the evening, and the bot does a reservation for you. No need to call anyone. Or a wedding registration bot in which you say, I'm coming to the wedding and that's the gift I'm bringing. So the bot can calculate, so I'm getting this gift, what other gifts I need for the other people that interact with him.
Some words about our goals and visions. So basically, for the small business, it's something that they didn't have so far, which is a very inexpensive digital presence. It's the first time that it can be digital without having a complicated websites or applications. Also, of course, no technical skills needed, and this is something that is important to deliver. we have an end-to-end solution. So the bot, in addition to the bot and the configuration manager, we also have billing modules and access number for the bot, and in the next steps, we can also enhance the bot itself with natural language processing and artificial intelligence enhancements. All those features will be included in the product.
So for users, it's much simpler because all they have to do is send a message. And they can do it without installing anything. They can use their regular text message client or to client, and it's easier and faster. Additionally, for Telefonica, we got a huge market of potential clients that can buy our bots. So just as Apple and Google make a huge sum from selling application, we can do the same with bots. We can do it for restaurants, for cinemas, for billions of small businesses, and for each one we get some sort of percentage. Additionally, we can enhance the usage of increase the usage of our to client simply because to will provide enhanced experience of bots. Any text client can use bots, but for example in 2 he'll also get images or other UI interface enhancements like for example buttons. And that's it. Thank you for joining us.